If you want to delete WordPress users created in a specific date range, you will have to open all user profiles one by one, check the date they were registered and proceed to delete them. Of course, this will take you a lot of time. However, in this video, we will show you how to apply a search filter that will find all users by their registration date, so you can delete them all at once. For this, we will use the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you can also export and import profiles using a CSV file. You can download the plugin from the link we have left in the description of this video. You will also find another link to visit our written tutorial. To search for users created on a specific date, you must first open the search tool. Tick here to enable the Advanced Filters checkbox. Then, select the registration date field. Choose the operator starts with. Now, enter the date using this format. And click on Run Search. If you do not want to search for users created on a specific date, but for all users created during a date range, you can easily do this with the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Select the registration date field. Then choose the greater than or equal to operator. Enter the start date here. Now add a new filter. Select the same field, registration date. Now, the operator we will select will be the less than or equal to operator. Enter the end date here. And run the search to filter all users created during the selected date range. After filtering the users, they will be displayed in the spreadsheet, and you need to proceed to delete them all at once. For that, open the Bulk Edit tool. Select the fields to edit. In this case, we'll delete all the users from our current search. Enter the field status. Choose the Set Value option here. Now select to delete. And execute to delete all the selected users. After these simple steps, your selected user profiles will be deleted, so they won't appear in the spreadsheet anymore. It is that simple to delete user profiles created today, yesterday, or in any date range. The WordPress Users Spreadsheet simplifies your experience when managing thousands of user profiles. You can save a lot of hours and clicks. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.